So the different categories in the gradebook, we're going to look at those. To get there, you go into your, click on grades first, that gets you to your gradebook. Instead of looking at the grade report, we're going to do gradebook setup now. You don't necessarily need different categories in your gradebook. So my quizzes, maybe I want to count those as tests into the test category. So one quick way to move them, you can select multiple and then go to move selected items to tests, and it puts them right into the test category. I'm not using weights, so what it's doing is basing the contribution on the class grade as to the number of points you've given it right here. If you don't like categories, that's fine too. So we're going to go and let's see, in homework, we're going to delete the homework category. We're going to delete the forum category. And we're about to delete the test category, and we'll see what happens to the assignments. So those assignments just got put into, let's call it the course total or the default category. You can hide these other items if you want. I'm not going to do that, but all right, so there's your gradebook setup right there.